So yo guys, it's Utsav and today we are going to discuss about the topic leverage. So if anyone is who is aiming for greater success or become wealthy, you must be very clear about this term, or you must know the word leverage and its importance in the wealth creation. So I came across this term by reading the book while I was reading the book, the Almanac of Naval Ravikant, and he really uses this word very much across his podcast. I am currently reading the book Millionaire Fastlane. So also in that book, it has mentioned that for the creation of your wealth, you need two things. First one is leverage, and other thing is control. They are the very important things for the wealth creation process. So now the main part. So what is leverage anyway? So I have came across the simple and best definition of leverage. So leverage is using something small to create a bigger impact. It's like using a lever to lift a heavy object. With leverage, you can achieve more with less effort. So let's understand with a great example. Okay, so let's say you want to move a heavy rock. If you try to lift it directly with your hands, it might be very difficult or even impossible because of its weight. However, if you use a lever, like a long stick, you can apply force to one end of the lever, and which creates a much greater force on the other end, allowing you to lift the rock with less effort. So now here's the breakdown of this example. See, the rock represents the task or goal you want to achieve. Your hands represent your own effort or resources. The lever represents leverage, which amplifies your effort. The force you apply to one end of the lever represents the small amount of effort or resources you initially invest. The force exerted on the rock by the lever represents the greater impact or outcome achieved through the leverage. So by using the leverage, you are able to achieve a bigger result with less effort. So this concept applies in various fields from physics to business and finance as well. So I hope you understand the term leverage very clearly. And in the upcoming videos, we are going to discuss about more topics covering mindset, health, and wealth as well. So keep watching.